How much should you actually spend on a mountain bike mini pump? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator. Let's kick things off with the Astro AI L7 Tire Inflator, priced at $22.99. Its bright orange color caught my eye, and it's a bestseller for a reason. If you want a portable pump that not only inflates but also offers some impressive features, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The L7 boasts a maximum pressure of 150 psi, capable of inflating a tire from 30 to 36 psi in just 1.5 minutes. This is crucial when you're on the go and you need quick, efficient inflation. Plus, it's cordless, making it easy to carry around. The automatic shut-off function is a game changer because it prevents overinflation. Just set your desired pressure and forget about it. With over 14,700 reviews averaging 4.4 stars, it's clear this pump has a solid reputation. Now, some users complained about it being slightly heavy for a mini pump at nearly a pound. Here's the thing though, if you prioritize performance and speed over ultralight weight, this is a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, multifunctional pump that can inflate everything from bike tires to sports balls. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight to carry on long rides. Honestly, for the features you get, it's a good value for your money. Now, if the weight of the Astro AI L7 bothers you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Kia Mini Bike Pump. Next up is the Kia Mini Bike Pump at $19.99. This compact hand pump caught my attention with its sleek black design and impressive pressure capacity. If you want something lightweight without compromising on performance, this is worth checking out. The Kia pump can reach an astonishing 260 psi, which is a huge advantage for high-pressure tires. It has a unique design that delivers 44 milliliters of air per pump, saving you time on inflation. This means less hassle when you're out on rides. Plus, it fits all valve types, Schrader, Presta, and Dunlop, making it versatile for any bike or sports gear. Now, some users mentioned that the air intake could be a bit slow when compared to electric options. But honestly, if you're looking for a manual pump that's reliable and easy to carry, this is a small trade-off for its lightweight nature. This is perfect for you if you're a road cyclist or mountain biker who wants a reliable pump that easily fits under a bike rack. Skip this one if you prefer electric pumps for fast inflation. At this price point, it's a solid investment for any cyclist. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit of tech. Product number 3, HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pump. The HOTO Mini Bike Tire Pump, priced at $59.98, brings some serious tech to your biking experience. This one's compact but delivers fast inflation, like really fast. If you're looking for convenience and speed, you'll want to stick around for this. What's impressive is that it can inflate a 700 times 23C road tire from flat to 80 psi in just 60 seconds. It has a built-in lithium-ion battery that delivers enough power for about 8 full inflations on a single charge. The auto shut-off feature is also a big plus, preventing overinflation mistakes. Plus, with a 150 psi max, it works well for both mountain and road bikes. But here's the catch. Some users found it a bit pricey compared to basic pumps. Here's the thing though, if you value speed and tech in your pump, the price reflects the convenience you're getting with this smart device. This is perfect for you if you need a fast, hassle-free inflation option for long rides or group trips. Skip this if you're on a strict budget or don't mind manual pumps. With its features, it's definitely worth the investment. Moving on, if you're looking for something simpler yet effective, the next option might be right up your alley. Product number 4, Pro Bike Tool Mini Pump. Next, we have the Pro Bike Tool Mini Pump at $21.99. This one immediately stood out with its durable build and compact design. If you want a reliable, no-frills option that gets the job done, this is a solid choice. This pump can deliver up to 100 psi and inflates tires about 30% faster than standard models. It's lightweight and fits easily in your jersey pocket or saddlebag, making it perfect for commuting or racing. The compatibility with both Presta and Schrader valves means you can use it for various bikes without worrying about adapters. But some users mention that it may feel slightly flimsy compared to heavier-duty options. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something lightweight and portable, this pump's design is intentional and makes it easy to carry around. This is perfect for you if you're a casual cyclist or commuter who needs something straightforward and effective. Skip this one if you're looking for a high-capacity pump for off-road adventures. It offers great value for its price, especially for everyday use. Now, if you're on a really tight budget, the final product is something you might want to check out. Product number 5, West Biking Mini Pump. Finally, we have the West Biking Mini Pump priced at just $9.99. This is your budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on basic functionality. If you're looking for an affordable mini pump without the bells and whistles, this is worth considering. This pump can inflate tires to 8,100 psi, making it suitable for daily use. Its dual-valve design allows you to switch between Presta and Schrader without hassle, and the compact size means you can easily mount it on your bike frame. Plus, it includes a few needle attachments for sports balls and other inflatables, which is a nice bonus. However, some users felt it doesn't inflate as quickly as others. Here's the thing though, if you just need something to get you out of a pinch, this pump will do the job without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're a casual rider looking for an inexpensive backup pump. Skip this if you need something with faster inflation capabilities or higher pressure. For its price, it's hard to beat the value it offers. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 mountain bike mini pumps. So there you have it. The Astro AI L7 for tech lovers, the Kia Mini for lightweight performance, the HOTO for speed, the Pro Bike Tool for simplicity, and the West Biking for budget-conscious riders. Each has its strengths, so pick one that best suits your biking needs.